Well, I'm Damon.
And I'm Kelly. Today we're attempting to beat the Guinness World Record of the longest chain of connecting markers, and the current record is 1,520, and we've got roughly over 7,000. There's been a lot of working, setting down the pens, making sure every marker is connected. It's been a lot of work.
And we're going to donate them to kids who need them badly in their education.
Well, it would seem to me that this school has a very good community spirit, and they really do have great values. Yes, and of course for our brand, that bodes very well.
Done an amazing job today, and we have smashed this record. We have got a count of 7,210 markers.
First of all, huge congratulations on absolutely smashing the record. It's fantastic work. Big congratulations to the Year 6s as well. I'm just really impressed at how well organised this whole event was. And I'm especially thrilled to see that the pens will be going to a fantastic cause, to the orphanage over in Bali. So well done, keep up the good work everyone, and keep using Faber-Castell.